Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about another universities. Two universities have started CSC Scholarship. CSC Scholarship started in mostly universities, but in this video we will discuss two universities. So you type cscguideofficial.com in Google and click on the first link. When you click on the first link, you come on our website cscguideofficial.com. So if you if you don't know yet which universities offer CSC Scholarship, so click on CSC Scholarship. You can get all the universities name here which offering CSC Scholarship. So you can click on CSC Scholarship admissions. When you click on CSC Scholarship admissions, you can see Shenyang Aerospace University, another Hanoi University, and Ocean University of China, because a lot of universities have started scholarships, so we don't have any time. Still we don't have time to make all videos on all universities. So as we get time, so we will make universities videos on these universities. But if you want to visit how to apply for these universities, you can come in this website cscguideofficial.com. So we click on Shenyang Aerospace. First we discuss Shenyang Aerospace and other and after the Shenyang we will discuss another university. So Shenyang Aerospace University, Chinese Government Scholarship Authority, Chinese Government Scholarship, Shenyang Aerospace University. This is for master and PhD. Very simple and easy method for this scholarship. So master and PhD student fully funded, everything is free. 3000 RMB for masters and 3500 RMB for PhD. Online apply and send documents. Okay, 30th March is 2020 is the last date. How you apply for this? How all international students can apply. Age limit for master 35 years and for PhD 40 years. So you can apply English through English proficiency certificate. How to apply for this scholarship? First you fill CSC online application form. You need to apply on no need to apply on university portal. Means you will only CSC application form. No need to apply. No application fee. Results will be announced at the end of July, and send documents to the university. This is the contact number of Shenyang Aerospace University International Office. So if you want to because I don't find any postal mailing address of this university, so if you want to get mailing address about this university, so call them or email them. Okay, how you fill the CSC online application form? Click here. Watch videos in English. If you want to videos in English, then click here. Okay, no need to apply on university portal. Documents, all documents required in duplicate. All documents should be bound together on the top left corner in following order. So following order is, and documents required is CSC scholarship application form, agency number is 10143. Highest degree, if you are still in studying, still studying, then make a hope certificate or provisional certificate, hope certificate. Okay, transcript of highest education, study plan, research proposal, notarized copy. Study plan, research proposal, notarized copy is just highest degree, and your transcript. If you are studying and getting hope certificate must be notarized also. So study plan, two recommendation letters from professor or associate professor, passport photocopy, physical examination form. IELTS is not mandatory. You can apply with English proficiency certificate. Okay, this is the this is Shenyang Aerospace University. So we come on or the official advertisement of Shenyang Aerospace University. So you can check all these information here. So a list of the subjects: master program 3 years, aerotechnical, aeronautical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer application technology, and business management. These are the majors which they prefer for CSC scholarship for masters, and PhD for PhD programs they prefer aerospace engineering. Okay, from 10th January to 30th January is the last. All these information which I'll already tell you. So this is the Aerospace University. Now we came to the another university which offering CSC scholarship. Another university is also offering, but we discuss Ocean University. Okay, we will discuss Ocean University. You click on Ocean University, you can get everything here. Chinese Government Scholarship Authority, Ocean University of China university name. Master and PhD students can apply. Fully funded scholarship, 3000 RMB for master, 3500 RMB for PhD. Apply method: online apply and send documents 30th of March 2020. Very easy method discuss in our website cscguideofficial.com, because in other universities they don't they not completely understand what you want. So completely understand what you want. So, okay, eligibility criteria: all international students can apply. Age limit for master and PhD: apply online and send documents. Of age limits for master 35 and 40 for 40 years for PhD. How you apply for this scholarship: first you fill CSC application form, upload our required documents, pay the RMB application fee in this following bank account. After filling the form, you can after filling CSC form, you can check your status daily on CSC portal. How you check the status, I already make a video, you can find it. Result will be announced at the end of July. So must attention, give attention, that make sure that note applicant's passport name. Means when you apply, when you pay the fee, and the receipt of the fee name sent to this email address with your passport name. Okay. When you send this, they understand that you submit the fee. This is the mailing address on which you send your documents, 2 copies of documents which you send. CSC online application form: how you apply for CSC online application form, click here to watch the video, click here to go to the official link of CSC studying channel.csu online portal. Okay. Now documents required: CSC online application form, CSC online application form, and upload on university portal, because no university portal required, so you don't upload on university portal. Agency number 10423, highest degree certificate, notarized copy if you are a student. Then provide hope certificate, transcript of highest education, study plan or research proposal, 2 recommendation letters, passport photocopy, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate. No need of IELTS, photocopy of applicant's fee receipt. Means when you pay the fee, attach with the fee receipt with documents photocopy, not original kept by self. A copy of valid HSK4 if available. Please click certificate of no criminal record, means police clearance certificate. So I will give the link here of this video. So hope so you like this video. If you if you still have any confusion about this, come here and get everything which you want. List of CSC universities and documents, click here. You can get the list of universities which are offering CSC scholarship this year: list 1, list 2, and list 3. And if you are facing problem, list of documents required for CSC, which documents required for CSC scholarship, click here. And if you want to get the samples of CSC scholarship, so click here and to get the sample of every documents which you want. CV format, study plan. If today or tomorrow, inshallah, we will update this website and upload a study plan here. Recommendation letter, 2 physical examination form, blank physical examination form, and all other scholarship here. Scholarship of university under CS scholarship, so list 4, and Beijing Normal University, all these scholarship are available here. So don't miss this opportunity. Good luck and take care of you. Hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe our YouTube channel if you like, otherwise don't. Okay, good luck and take care of you.